This is the screencast for section 1.7, example 5, letting units work for you. How many rotations does a 15-inch radius tire make per second on a sport utility vehicle, SUV, traveling 70 miles an hour? Well, your cars will actually, they monitor this, RPM, rotations per minute. So the question is, we're starting with miles per hour, so miles in 1 hour, and we're trying to convert to rotations per second. This is like stoichiometry. I know, everybody loves stoichiometry, but here we go, it's in math. Math and science, they're related a lot. You'll be surprised, especially you physics people. How many rotations does, okay, so we're starting out 70 miles in 1 hour, 70 miles per hour. I'm going to multiply by something. First, let's change those hours to seconds. I know that 1 hour is 60 seconds. Now, the reason I put hours on top and seconds on the bottom is because now look what happens to hours. Cancels. The unit hours cancel. Now I'm in miles per second. Well, I don't want miles per second. I want rotations per second. Well, let's see. I have a 15-inch radius tire. So I need to look at changing mile to inches. Well, I know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. 5,280 feet. Okay. Then I know that, let's see, 1 foot is 12 inches. So now my mile, oops, I knew that in red. The unit miles cancel, and the units feet cancel. So now I'm in inches per second, but I want rotations per second. Well, here's the thing about a tire. Here's my tire. When it rotates once, the circumference of the tire goes along the ground. So 1 rotation is 1 circumference. Well, the circumference of a circle, let's see, circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r, and that would be measured in inches. So I'm going to put 2 pi, and then it says rotation, or excuse me, radius is 15 inches. So 1 rotation of 2 pi r inches is my last conversion. I put inches on the bottom, so the circumference on the bottom. 1 rotation is 1 circumference in inches. So now inches cancel out, and I've got rotations per second. All I need to do is on my calculator multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator, and divide those. So let's try 70 times 5,280 times 12. Hit enter. Now I'm going to divide by, and I'm going to put all this in parentheses because it all needs to go together. 60 times 2 times pi times 15, and I get 784.32 rotations per second. Rotations per second. The now try problem number 39 says that a tire of a moving bicycle has radius 16 inches. If the tire is making 2 rotations per second, find the bicycle's speed in miles per hour. So I'm starting out with rotations per second, right? Yep, rotations per second, and I'm converting to miles per hour. So we're doing 2 rotations per 1 second at first. 2 rotations per 1 second. So let's change seconds to hours. I know 60 seconds is 1 minute, and let's see, 60 minutes is 1 hour. So now my minutes cancel, my seconds cancel, and I'm in rotations per hour. I don't want rotations per hour, I want miles. Well, how do I change a rotation to a mile? Well, one rotation is the circumference of this wheel. So I'm going to put rotation on the bottom. One rotation is 2 pi, and then what do we say the radius was? 16. And that's going to be inches, because it says 16 inches. Well, I've got some more work to do, so I need some more room. Jealous? Now, I'm in inches per hour. I want miles per hour. So I know 12 inches is 1 foot, and then 50 to 80 feet are in 1 mile. So now feet cancel, and I'm in, inches cancel, I'm in miles per hour. So that is the conversion I want, miles per hour. So I used my calculator to find, I got 11.42 miles per hour.